In this video, we're going to be doing an unboxing of some resistance loop exercise bands, so make sure you stay tuned. Hey, I'm Dale L. Roberts, former personal trainer and a best-selling fitness author. And if you'd like to learn more about Workouts Simplified, then make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the little bell notification icon so you don't miss a single video. Today we're going to be doing a bit of an unboxing, actually more of an unbagging of these resistance loop exercise bands. Now, I will read the actual full product name from Amazon where we had ordered it from, and it'll blow you away. It's very complicated, and probably because they're trying to get discovered more on Amazon. Anyway, it's called the Fit Simplified Resistance Loop Exercise Bands with Instruction Guide, Carry Bag, ebook, and online workout videos. It has a set of 5 and it has a little bag with it, and it put my wife behind by about $9, so it wasn't too bad. So let's go ahead and take a look at this nice little package. It came in really quick through Amazon Prime. I'm not trying to shill for them by any means, but it just makes life easier. We do order a lot from Amazon. So here we go. Tiny little thing. So it's not really big at all. Let's go ahead and bust this on open. Very nice and compact. Little canvas bag of some sort here. We'll go ahead and open this all the way up. And we've got the little book in here. Has different exercises, it looks like. So primarily a lot of people will probably use these exercise bands around their ankles and kind of do some side steps and such to kind of work on the outer glutes. But believe it or not, actually they show vertical arm extensions, rear arm extensions, tricep extensions, horizontal arm extensions. Then it has some bicep curls, bridge thrusts, side step squats, lying hip abductions standing, and then lying leg raises. So it has a few exercise variations, and I'm sure if you use your imagination, you probably can use them from other things. But each one of the exercise bands are all individually wrapped, so we can probably break these out. I'm gonna look over at my wife, make sure it's okay. She's giving me the thumbs up, so there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and pull that one out. And it actually shows the resistance level of each one of these. The Fit Simplifies the name of the product. So extremely light here on this one, and then you have light on this one. It shows the dots kind of representing each of the resistance on each one of them. So that will make life a little easier. I imagine these will probably get wore out in due time. We may not see that. Red is the heavy one. That's actually 4 dots. I'm assuming yellow is probably going to be the 3. So yeah, there we go. We got 3 on the medium. And then of course black. Oh yeah, this is really kind of firm right here. So 5 dots on this one, so it's extra heavy. So each one of these products looks pretty good. I mean, fairly firm. It looks a little bit like it's got some kind of like a residue on the outside of it, so you may want to wash your hands after probably using it. But for the most part, it looks pretty nice, not too bad. And again, it just stores in nice and compact inside this bag. So all you'd have to do is just piece them all together, fold it on up, and stick it on in there for later use. So this was going to just be a very quick, unboxing and reveal. I just wanted to kind of show you this very cheap product that you could actually utilize at home, and you didn't have to spend very much money. So if you find you're cash strapped, you can't afford, say, dumbbells or any type of weights or some of the more complicated, sophisticated rubber band exercise sets, then this little $9 thing ain't going to put you too far behind. And if you got Amazon Prime, they'll probably just send it to you. I'll end up putting a link down, an affiliate link in the description down below, so you can always just click that, take a look at the product, and if you want to get it, that'd be awesome. It'll help support the channel. If you do end up selecting that, it won't adversely affect your costs, and it will help support us in the meantime. Hey, so if you'd like to see some videos of us demonstrating how to use these, let me know down inside the comments and I can actually show you a few exercise variations beyond the ones that you see inside the book. We'll show a few of those if you want that. In the meantime, if you want to check out another piece of exercise equipment that I had picked up, it's a very popular video where I do an unboxing of the Iron Gym pull-up bar. Take a look at the video. I'll see you there.